In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for brand monitoring fast and easy. Let's dive right in. To get started, we need to navigate to Google Trends. Simply open up your browser and type Google Trends into the search bar. Once you hit search, you'll want to click on the very first link that appears. This will lead you to the Google Trends homepage. Once you're there, look for the Explore option and give it a click. This is where all the magic happens. Next, you'll see a search bar at the top. Here, you'll want to type in your brand name. For our example, let's say you're a company like Nike. Type Nike into the search bar. After doing this, just press Enter, and voila! You're now looking at a trend graph specifically for your brand. Now let's refine the results to make them more useful. Above the trend graph, you'll see several drop-down options. Start with the location. Select your target country or region to see brand interest in specific areas. For brand monitoring, it can be super helpful to identify trends within your target market. After that, you can set the time range. I recommend using the past 12 months past 12 months or past 30 days options for regular monitoring. This will give you a clearer picture of recent trends. Then, move on to the category. Choosing an industry category ensures that you're focusing on relevant searches. Lastly, consider changing the search type from web search, which is the default, to other options like news, images, YouTube, or shopping, depending on what you're specifically interested in tracking. Now that we've set the filters, let's examine the interest over time graph. This feature provides a great visual on how interest in your brand fluctuates over time. You might notice search spikes during particular campaigns, product launches, or press releases. It's also valuable for spotting seasonal patterns in brand interest. As you hover over different points on the line graph, you'll see exacted popularity values based on a scale from 0 to 100, indicating your brand's visibility at specific times. Another valuable feature is the ability to compare your brand's popularity with that of competitors. To add a competitor, click on the plus compare button next to the search bar and type in another brand's name. This will overlay their data on the same graph, allowing for an insightful comparison. Finally, don't ignore the related queries and related topics sections as you scroll down. These lists show what else people are looking for alongside information about your brand. This is a goldmine for spotting trends, new products, or emerging issues. You can sort these by rising to catch fast-growing areas of interest. And there you have it. You're all set to use Google Trends effectively for brand monitoring. It's a powerful tool to visualize and understand your brand's online presence and make data-driven decisions. Happy analyzing!